Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change currency in Spendee, right? So first one, I'm going to show you how to change your main account currency. And the second one is changing a specific wallet's currency, okay? So first up, go ahead over to the More section right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now what you're going to do is just tap on main currency. Tap on it. And then here you have a ton of options, okay? So just go ahead and scroll down and find your specific currency. For example, I'm going to go ahead and find Philippines right here. I'm going to tap on it. And once done, you should be good to go. Now, for a specific wallet, what you're going to do is just tap on wallets right here. Okay. Tap on your wallet. Tap on three dots right here at the top right. Now tap on currency. And you should be able to change it if you have the paid version of Spendee. If not, even if you go to More right here and manual wallets, changing the currency right here won't be available. Okay, so make sure you have the paid plan. All right, but don't worry, when you go head over to your timeline right here, the wallet's currency will be automatically converted to the main currency that you just selected under settings. All right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.